Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Ameya and we are discussing about PDMS, and in PDMS we are discussing about structures and panels and plates application. In previous video we talked about creating a negative extrusion. The next thing in panel I want to talk about is fittings. So you can create various fittings inside your panel. So these fittings will be useful for let us say for pipe passing through a pipe through the panel. You can create windows, doors. Okay, so there are various standard fittings which are available and we are trying to create those standard fittings in this video. Okay, so you can go to create fitting. First you have to select a panel. So I'm just selecting this panel for my reference and I'm going for fitting and a single fitting. So a create panel fitting dialog box will open and you have some standard access, standard windows, standard doors, hole penetrations and wall boxes. So you can select any one you want. I am going right now with hole penetration because I am using a horizontal panel. So for hole fittings you have different types. So I am selecting this first circular type, and then there is a justification option. I will just show you the image for justification option. This is the image for justification option. The top outwards will have a top point, top inwards will have the insert point, and like now like a center and bottom justification is also available. So you can select the justification what you want and then go to again panel. So these justifications are available. You can just check justification. Beta angle is basically orientation of your fittings in Z direction. So it will try to rotate those fittings in Z direction. And then there is a properties, and you have various properties. So diameter will depend on your pipe diameter maybe. Okay, sleeve thickness, panel clearance, everything is mentioned in the diagram. You can just zoom in and edit various things in the diagram, and you can edit these values and say okay. So I'm not changing it right now. Now the last part is the position of your fitting. Okay, so you can select this explicit position option we have used in most of the videos. What I am selecting is I am just selecting a midpoint option and going for the midpoint of this place, and then depending upon distance I can go to the east, let us say by 1000 maybe, and I am inside the panel. So at this place, let us say I want to insert this fitting, I can say apply. Sorry, we'll just go again, create fittings, single, position. I will select this, give a distance 1000. I haven't said apply there. Sorry, not in north. Cancel explicit position. Select this. In east, I am moving 1000. Yeah, I haven't said apply there. I will say okay, that position will be fixed, and then I can say apply, and you can get that fitting there. If you don't find this circle to be perfect, you can just go to settings, graphics, and you can increase the arc tolerance. Sorry, reduce the arc tolerance, and your circle will be clear. There is a clearance which is available that can be easily visible once you make this circle. Length is also given. Hole trans option is on. If I put it off, you will not see this hole. Okay, so these are the options are generally available in graphics. So now hole drawn is off. I can just go to graphics and select hole drawn option and say apply, and make arc tolerance to 10 so that my system will not take that much load. Now let us say I want to edit this fitting. I can select that fitting, go to modify, and go to modify fitting and select that fitting. You will get the same option. Instead of create fitting, you have a modify fittings. You can change the positions. Let us say I want this to be 500, maybe not Okay, apply. So I am changing its position. Then you can change type of fitting. I want say this type of fit, and then you can have diameter, flange diameter, like 50, sorry, 150 is my diameter, so flange diameter maybe of 200. Thickness I can reduce it to 10 maybe. Okay, and say apply. I will get this type of fitting. And then there is one more type of fitting, that is a general basic fitting, just a hole. Okay, and you can go to properties and give different diameter for the holes. So this is how you can edit various different fittings, create a fitting and modify fitting. We have just talked about hole penetration for pipes. We will discuss windows and access and doors in the next video. Okay, so yeah, so this is what I want to discuss in this video. If you like the content, do subscribe my channel, share with your friends, and also check various playlists which are available on my channel. Thank you for joining.